sprinting.
So each one of you will tie a knot if there's 8 of you. So you all have to tie a knot.
Raj? Any questions? Last minute questions?
No. The graders will untie your knots.
No questions?
No. All right, y'all got your strategy? Y'all ready to go?
2, then 4, then 6, then 8.
Yeah. All right. Give the 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we ready? We got zeros on the clock.
Zeros on the clock.
Good. Ready? All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go, guys.
Don't run too fast.
Stretch your legs. Y'all got it. Didn't have a problem lifting their legs. Let's go, Rylan! Bring it back in. Oh wait, once they get back down here, we run up with them. Is that how this goes?
No, we're good. We got 2.
Both have to cross the line.
Martins! Oh my gosh!
Waterman. You got it. Go! Hey, don't run into. Good. You're good.
Go!
Now we're supposed to do the cross.
Go.
Do we have to go all the way down? Yeah. Good job, Rylan.
Oh, they can't go until you finish school. All right, y'all good.
Come on, put your back.
Go.
Hurry up.
Come on, guys! Come on!
Let's go.